Double unders can be one of the most challenging jump rope tricks as far as endurance goes that you can do. And I know as a beginner, it can be difficult in concept. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do them with ease. After today's video, you're gonna think that was easy and how did I not know that in the first place? So let's jump right into it. Now, if any of the equipment interests you in purchasing, you can find the links down below. Now, let's get back into the video. When you're picking a jump rope to do double unders with, make sure you don't go too heavy. If you go too heavy, you won't be able to do the move. It just won't be possible if you have a 3 to 6 pound rope doing a double under, or at least I can't do it. Comment below if you can. Before we start with double unders, let's warm up those muscles. Jump in place for a few minutes, swing your arms, and get the blood flowing. I normally do something like jumping jacks to achieve this. Start with the basics. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, elbows close to your body, and wrists relaxed. Jump with a slight bend in your knees and remember to land on the balls of your feet. It's really important that you feel comfortable with your regular jump rope move before we go into double unders. Now let's talk timing. The key to double unders is a faster rotation of the rope and timing the jump just perfectly. Now here's my secret sauce in getting this move quickly, and it has worked for other people that I've taught. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you. Practice without the rope. This is key. Now you want to tap your sides twice before you land on the ground. This mimics the jump rope move. If you're able to do it like that, practice it, envision it, you'll be able to do double unders in no time. Also, if you pay attention to it, when you're tapping your side, that's the same noise that the jump rope is making as it's hitting the ground. Do this drill to master double unders. Do side taps so you can get the rhythm, and do this for about 30 seconds as a warm-up before you even pick up the rope. Tapping your side twice before you land will make sure that you jump high enough for the rope to pass through twice before you land. Now, without jumping, flick your wrists really hard like you're jumping rope, but do it twice as in the rhythm of a double under. See? Flick, 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 flick. Now you've got the rhythm. Now it's time to do double unders. You want to do one basic bounce followed by a double under, and do this several times so you can get the rhythm and you can practice doing double unders. This will make sure that you're just comfortable enough to do one double under. Now let's raise it up another level. You're gonna do the basic bounce, and every third bounce, you're going to do a double under. After practicing this for a little while, you'll be able to have the confidence enough to set a target number for you to do double unders, so you can start doing 5 at a time. And after you master doing 5 at a time, then you can try to do 10 at a time, and so on and so forth. Common mistakes made when you're trying to do a double under. These things can keep you from doing double unders consistently. Don't kick your knees back. If you don't kick your knees back when you're jumping regularly, why would you do it while you're doing a double under? You want to maintain proper form. This is so when you're doing freestyles and you want to just do a quick double under, you can do that, then go into another move. It'll help you out in the future when you're just having fun and doing freestyles and showing off to your friends or whatever you want to do, just having fun working out. You'll thank me later that you're not kicking your knees back. Try not to jump too high when you're doing double unders. It's a mistake that I'm still battling, to be honest. This can tire you out and keep you from doing other moves where you jump just too high, or it'll throw your rhythm off because you'll jump too high, you'll land awkwardly, and it'll mess the double under up. Other mistakes include overthinking it, tensing up, using too much arm movement. Just relax and focus on your timing and let the rope do the work. Remember, we all trip, so don't trip about tripping. Make sure you share this video with anybody that you know that's trying to learn double unders fast. Also, hit that subscribe button because I'll be bringing you more trick videos just like this. Now, if you want to learn another trick, check this video out right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.